Welcome back. Former GPCC Chief John Fernandes is annoyed with Prime Minister Narendra Modi as former PM Indira Gandhi's death anniversary is being recast as National Unity Day, a celebration of Sardar Vallabbhai Patel's birth anniversary. John says Modi cannot forget the Iron Lady and cannot change the history. John says Modi should respect all the national leaders rather than promoting only the national leader from Gujarat.
हे जो जायरेटी मोदी बाबान दिल्या local paperaचेर only lopsided. We have high regard and respect for Sardar Patel and Mahatma Gandhi, who both belong to Gujarat. And if Modi Bhai feels that he is proud of Gujarat model, then I want to remind him we should not only think about Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel, but other leaders also. Because he is not the Prime Minister of Gujarat, he is Prime Minister of India. We have no objection. Sardar Patel is a Congress leader, a veteran, tall Congress leader. But Indira Gandhi is still taller. So, I want Mr. Modi to be careful and not to be a historian. I wouldn't call him a chaiwala. You cannot rewrite history. History has been written. But I would request Modi, you are trying to humiliate the memory of Indira Gandhi. Rise up to be like a Indira Gandhi. Otherwise, you are a dream seller. You are a dream merchant. You have fooled the people of this country 4 months back, saying that I will do this, that and nothing. You are a minority government. You got only 31% of votes.
This is how John commented on the leadership of his successor.
No. I don't want to comment on political matter at the moment. I told you. Only I said give them time. They have a hangover from the celebration of taking over ceremony. People of Goa has seen it. I have said when I relinquish my charge that I hope that my successor will carry the same work I did it by raising issues against the BJP and the Chief Minister. But there is a deafening silence.
Devendra Gaunkar for Prudent.
And now a look at the other happenings in the state.
People travelling to Panji via Porvorim and on Mandavi Bridge are finding it difficult to travel. Porvorim MLA Rohan Counter inspected the ferry point at Britannia Jetty. He said if ferry service starts from Britannia to Panji, it could streamline the traffic.
October to February is the main peak season where we are trying to find an alternate, where we have realized that the traffic has to be streamlined somewhere. And बायलो गाडी अशें खूब दिश्टी पडल्या. So एक initiative म्हणून we came today to inspect the ramp which has not been used for such a long time. समज जमता जाल्यार alternate mode of transport by waterways where the ferry can be utilized from October up to maybe February. And हांगाच्यान transport करून maybe even the tourists who are there can use this mode of thing to as a touristic part where R&D also has a scope of revenue by charging maybe outside vehicles a certain amount of fee and giving them a ride along with the locals.
An art gallery, Studio 07, has come up in Baina. Artists can display their art at this studio. Apeksha Nadkarni feels her ambition will boost the talent of artists.
Art gallery जी आसा ही लोकांक कोणाक आर्ट जर पळोवपाचें आसा पेंटिंग्स पळोवपाचें आसा भुरग्यांक कोणाक लोकांक सगळ्यांक जाल्यार येवन पळोवपाक मेळटलें जे वास्कोकारांक सगळ्या गोंयकारांक
खंयचे दुसरे आर्टिस्टाक जर आपलें एक्झिबिशन घालपाक जाय जाल्यार अवेलेबिलिटी आसा
हय कोणी घालूं शकता
आपल्या हातून मनात उमेद जी आसता ती कॅनवासाचेर काडप मनांतल्यो भावना कॅनवासाचेर काडप हें आर्टिस्टांक जमता एखादो रायटर आसा ताकाय जमता आमच्या सारकेल्यांक तें जमना.
Dishant Parab with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
North Goa Collector Neela Mohanan has submitted a report on Russian molestation case to the Chief Minister's office on Thursday. After intimation from Russian consulate, CM Parrikar had directed Collector Neela Mohanan to conduct preliminary inquiry. The victim Russian girl had complained with Russian embassy that she was first molested by some unknown accused at Anjana. But when she was brought to GMC for medical examination, a male doctor molested her. The victim lady was left India without lodging any formal complaint of molestation by the doctor, but on her behalf, Russian consulate is following up this matter. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.